everybody, it's Mimi J, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been before, and if you're new, great. Hope you like it and hope you'll stick around for a while. Today is a project share and a Michael's haul. Well, if you watched my craft fair projects, you know that I was making some little altering some composition books, upcycling them, and so I've done more of that. A few for Halloween because I do have a show on October the 20th, so I thought it'd be good to have a few Halloween items in there. These are not finished. I've got to go back and embellish them, but I do have the paper on them, both inside and out, and in this case a little bit of washi trim. These look a little more finished than the others, I think, but jury's out on whether or not I prefer this method or just the cutting, straight cutting and pasting on either side, because what I'm actually doing now is taking gold leaf pen, not on these because the paper is folded over, but on the ones where it isn't. And so on those around here you have the gold leaf or silver leaf. Okay, look at this paper. Yes, this is definitely the Halloween paper. Creepy skulls, the creepy skeletons. Love Halloween. This one is actually really pretty. The purple flowers on black and different shades of purple, and the white flowers, and the washi tape says thrills and chills and spooks and spells. Okay, and this washi tape that I used on the back, the ravens and the hands, so very nice. And the little bats here, and bats on that washi tape too. So yeah, those came from Michael's, and they were on sale. It's Labor Day weekend. They still should have things on sale. I made a larger notebook. It's just a regular composition book covered with paper. I love this vintage paper. Hey, cupcake, and whoa, massive cupcake there. Love the old photograph, black and white photograph from probably the 50s or early 60s. And this one actually I got a little pocket in right here with some, oops, I put a little pocket in right here with some coordinating papers just inserted in there, scrap paper, bookmarks, whatever. This one's basically finished, except I think I'm going to go back and tie a nice big bow here, maybe use some fabric stiffener on it so it'll hold its shape. Okay, the other projects for the craft fair that I have not shown you at all yet are these little tags. This idea is from Roxy Fur, who makes tags. She has the ones I've seen that she does. She actually puts some bling on the front, like silver and gold and rhinestones. But I went with the stickers here, the cardinal ones, and I think I have to go back and finish just the ends here, burn them a little bit with the cigarette lighter so they won't fray. And you know how you do that, you just run it over the edge and it will seal it. And on these, this is just the cardinals come in some little different poses, 4 different ones I think, but that one actually looks a lot like the other one to me. So here's another one, and you take 4 of the little tags, the white tags that come from the Dollar Tree. That's all I did with these. They come 32 a pack. Glue them together and stack about 4, 5 if you want to go a little bit thicker. And once you get all that lined up and spread out, put a heavy book on them and let it sit overnight. And in the morning you want to start working, you can do one side with your triple thick and your glitter, whichever you choose, and the other side. And I may come back and put another sticker on this side. And then the gold silver leafing pen I used around the edge. Okay, and I did a couple that are the gingerbread man stickers that came from Michael's. Like the gingerbread men. They're really, really cute. And you can just use them as ornaments, or if you actually want to decorate packages with them, I think they'd be great for that too. I used Heidi Swap sprinkles and sprinkles. Sounds like we're making that cupcake. Glitter is what I'm talking about. That's what I meant to say. And then a little bit larger glitter. Now, Roxy actually uses some shaved ice in hers. I tried that, but I'm not real comfortable using it because, knowing me, I'd forget, and I'd have it on my hands and scratch my eye or something, and then I've got shaved glass in my eye. I don't think that'd be a good idea. Plus, if you have small pets or children around, you don't want to take a chance that they might get into it and ingest it. It's probably not going to happen, but my dogs can, one of them can, get up on the table. She doesn't do it when I'm around, but I might walk in and catch her jumping up in a chair and jumping onto the table. You know what takes care of that real well? A water spray bottle. She hates it, hates it. So here's some stickers that came from Michael's. These are just some of the embellishments. They've got the very shiny words on them. The witch is in, boo, and such things. And here are witch stickers and more stickers to go with the paper. I don't think I got far enough to show you those, did I? I'm sorry, I got distracted. Just making a video, get distracted. I had two more that I wasn't through showing you. Like I say, these are works in progress. And put a little pocket in this one, so yeah, all right. And on the back, so you can see the papers that I used. And this one, I managed to get a sticker here, and should have put her on the front, but they'll have something nice to look at on the inside too. I put a spell on you. Very cute. And then this one is just the shiny pumpkins. Okay, so that's all. All right, so the paper, that orange kind of really traditional paper is this pad right here from Michael's. Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus, and these are not double-sided, but you can see the papers here that I used. Witches are really cute. They're kind of pleasant looking for witches. There's some ghosts, and the skulls and poison and stuff like that. So that's nice, and really was drawn to the purples, and you saw that I used some of them. So the Moonlit Manor, got the 6x6 in that, and so you saw some of those papers. Here's some more. Yes, they are upside down. Well, yes, they are. Okay. That's not all of them, but I'm trying not to make this too terribly long. Moonlit Manor, is that what I said just a minute ago? So Moonlit Manor, that paper set, and this has some really pretty ones in it. I haven't used them yet, and I haven't even taken the tape off of here, but there's some foiled sheets, and come on here, Fright Night, nice, and just a lot of embossing on this, and just really nice paper. Okay. Ooh, those. got some stripes or some strips. And these would be the stripes. And love the purple flowers. So, so pretty. Okay, what else did I get? I got ribbons. Some of these are most definitely for Halloween, and the others are fall. And nice little pumpkin one there. A sweet one for fall. And then some nice spider, big spider and webs. Some really nice ones for Halloween. Little bones, the Tim Holtz collection. There's little oddities and fun things like that. Some little bats with the googly eyes. I was trying to shake them. Those are fun. Some adorable little animals dressed up for Halloween. I do not know if I'm dressing my animals up this year for Halloween or not. You know, they're looking back in the pictures, they looked so hurt and so undignified, and they may just be forgiving me getting over last year, so I don't want to reopen any wounds for them. These nice stickers here. You do a little genealogy book with that, or our Abby Normal family might be a good name for it. And word stickers and bling stickers. Excuse me. And spider stickers. And I got some die cuts because I loved the monsters and they were 50% off, so I got a really good deal on that. It's die cuts and stamps for Frankenstein and Count Dracula. I am so ready to watch some Halloween movies. I can't stand it. I need a Halloween movie marathon. That's all I have time for with this one, and that pretty much covered everything from Michaels and the project share anyway. Oh, except this washi tape, but I think you've seen most of it. I've used this one, and you saw the raven. Here's a couple that I haven't used yet. They would go with the witches. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Okay, so thanks so much for joining me. I appreciate it so much, and for those of you who are subscribed, thank you. I really appreciate that as well. If you're not subscribed, you like these kind of videos, or you like crafting videos, or Dollar Tree DIY videos, just miscellaneous hauls, usually Dollar Tree, but sometimes the craft stores, Michael's or Tuesday Mornings or Joann's. By all means, please join me and subscribe. Click like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Thanks for coming. Take care.